In this video, we're going to go over how to actually get the source code for Merx and then how to compile it. We're assuming that you've already installed Go and gotten everything up and running. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to merxedi.com and we're going to go to the download page. And there is a link here for GitHub, and we're just going to click on that link. We're going to look down here on the right, and there is a clone folder or a path here. So we're just going to double click on that, and we're going to copy that to our clipboard. At that point, we are going to come over here to our source code, whatever folder you've installed all your source to, and I've put my go path directory in source go. So we're going to type make directory src, which will make you a source directory. We're going to cd into the source directory, and you can see there's nothing in here at the moment, and we're going to type git clone, and then we're just going to paste that address into our folder. That'll go out, and if we do another list, we can see that we actually have a Merx folder now. So we're going to go into the Merx folder, and just like we had mentioned earlier, when you try to make this, you're going to get some errors. And these errors are packages that we actually need to download and install. So the first one is going to be this one. So we're going to copy that to the clipboard, and we're going to type go run, and then we're going, or I'm sorry, go get, and then we're going to paste in that path. And then we're just going to grab the next one here, and if you want to do this one at a time, you can just tell it to make again, and then it'll give you the next one here at the top. So this is going to be the MySQL drivers. Go get, and then we're going to paste that in. Try it again, and now we got to get this one to build our UUID. Go get. And that's it. So you're basically going to download the source code from the repository. Then you're going to get your libraries that you need, and you'll see here, if we do an ls and go back a directory, you can see that it has actually created a GitHub folder, and inside of that GitHub folder it has a list of all of the extra packages that you're going to need to be able to compile the Merx server. And once you have compiled it, if you do an ls and go 2 folders back and look in the bin folder, that's where the actual binary gets created for the process. So you combine that with your configuration file that's here. You're going to copy the merx.conf to your etc merx folder, and then you're going to change the parameters in there to access the database and to tell it what ports you want it to run on. And then at that point, when you go and execute that binary file in the bin folder, it'll automatically start the Merx server, and you can start receiving orders into the database that you've created with the create script. So everything you need to be able to build the package is now in the source repository on GitHub.